Creamy, decadent, and delicious, this dark chocolate frosting will have your mouth watering thanks to its creamy texture and chocolate flavor. Ideal for cakes, brownies, cookies, or any dessert you have in mind, this frosting is exceptional. Any chocolate lover will agree it's the perfect topping for desserts. Not only is this frosting sensational, but it is also easy to make. You don't need any prior baking experience, as this recipe only requires a few simple ingredients and steps. In no time you'll have a delicious dark chocolate buttercream frosting that your friends and family will be raving about. What makes dark chocolate so special? Not only does dark chocolate taste amazing, but it also has health benefits. Yes, you read that right, dark chocolate can help improve your health. It is packed full of amazing nutrients that can have a positive impact on your health. Full of antioxidants, it can help boost your well-being. Scientists believe that it can lower blood pressure and improve blood flow while lowering your risk of diabetes. It's even thought that it can help prevent heart disease and lower one's risk for a stroke. There's a reason you always feel happy after eating dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has also been shown to improve your brain function. Scientists have found that it can improve cognition, prevent memory loss, and even help prevent stress. In addition to all its other powers, it may also improve cholesterol, help your skin glow, benefit your gut, and even help prevent cancer. It gets its powers from the seed of a cocoa tree. Though it may have all these wonderful health benefits, dark chocolate should still be eaten in moderation. It's also important to remember that dark chocolate packed full of sugar isn't considered to be healthy. Bars of dark chocolate that contain 70 to 85% provide the most health benefits. So, unfortunately, this frosting wouldn't be considered healthy, but it is still delicious. What you will need: ingredients: ½ cup butter or margarine, 2/3 cup dark cocoa powder, 3 cups powdered sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. On medium heat, melt the butter in a saucepan. Alternatively, melt it in the microwave in 30 seconds intervals until fully melted. Step 2. Transfer the melted butter to a large bowl and add the dark cocoa powder. Use the whisk to thoroughly combine the two. Step 3. Alternate adding a small amount of milk and powdered sugar into the mix at a time. Beat between every addition and continue beating until it is smooth. You may use a whisk or electric mixer at medium speed. Step 4. If needed, add an additional milk to achieve a smoother, creamier consistency. Add in 1 teaspoon at a time until you reach the proper consistency. Stir in the vanilla until it is completely combined. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is thoroughly mixed. The frosting should be free of any lumps. If there are still lumps, beat it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Rich and creamy, this is the perfect dark chocolate frosting. Add it to white, yellow, chocolate, or marble cake to make the most mouth-watering dessert. It even tastes amazing on brownies and cookies. You simply can't go wrong with this decadent frosting. Chocolate lovers will rave about how wonderful this frosting is. You'll be tempted to eat it straight out of the bowl because it is so good. Tips and tricks. When choosing a cocoa powder, you will want to get 100% unsweetened cocoa powder. Look for one that is labeled Special Dark or Dutch Process. This will give you the right balance of dark chocolate flavor in your frosting for a perfectly rich and sweet frosting. Though cocoa powder won't taste good on its own, it will taste amazing when added to the frosting. On its own, it will taste bitter, as it has no added sweetness. Once combined with the frosting, the sugar and butter will bring out the wonderful chocolate flavor we all love. If your frosting appears too runny, then add more powdered sugar to thicken it. If your frosting is too thick, then add more milk. Start off adding 1 teaspoon at a time of powdered sugar or milk until it reaches the proper consistency. Instead of milk, you can use heavy whipping cream. Using heavy whipping cream in replacement of milk can give your frosting a creamier, richer flavor. It can be substituted in equal portions if you desire to use heavy whipping cream instead of milk. This frosting can be stored covered at room temperature for up to 2 to 3 days. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks in an airtight container. It can be frozen for up to 6 months in the freezer. If you do freeze it, allow it to thaw in the refrigerator overnight. You will likely have to re-whip the frosting, as it is likely to have separated. It is best to let it sit at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes before serving to allow it to reach room temperature. Once it has reached room temperature, then you can re-whip. If you re-whip it while it is still cold, it may cause curdling. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.